Good morning, class 7th. Today we are going to discuss about another method of transfer of heat, and that method is called convection. The process by which the heat is transferred from one place to another, that is from the hotter end to the colder end, but by the movement of particles. Whereas in the case of conduction, the particles are not in the moving position. But in the case of convection, the particle will move from one place to another for the transfer of heat, and this mode of transfer of heat takes place in liquids as well as gases. And we are combining, when we are having to give a common name to these liquid and gases, we say that these are fluid which have tendency to flow. So in convection process, that occurs mainly in the cases of fluids. But how it will take place? So let's discuss how. You can just see here very easily that whenever I am going to have a round bottom flask over a burner, okay, and I put a KMnO4 crystals in air, when I am going to heat this liquid, because the water inside it, whenever I am going to heat this liquid, actually the water which is near the heat source, when the water is heated, just see it carefully that whenever the water is heated, the water near the flame, वो वाटर क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास, जो भी वाटर यहाँ होगा, that is going to heat up more quickly. Whenever this water is going to heat up, it is going to rise up. It is going to rise up because it is becoming lighter one, and from at the same time the water from the surrounding, that is from the other side, the water is going to take its place. So how it is going to take its place? The water from the other side is going to take its place because this water is hot water. This hot water is going to move up, and from the surrounding the colder water is going to take its place, and the color of this crystal is going to spread slowly and slowly in this water, and the color of the water is going to change and it is going to turn purple color. So I am going to repeat it again. When the water is heated, the water near the flame क्या हो जाएगा, hot हो जाएगा, और hot water क्या करेगा, rise करेगा, और उसका place लेने के लिए cold water क्या करेगा, it is going to take its place towards the source of heated. और जैसे जैसे ये पानी आएगा नीचे, वो भी वाटर क्या होता जाएगा, हॉट होता जाएगा, और वो भी क्या करता जाएगा, राइज करता जाएगा. और सिमिलरली ये जो प्रोसेस है हमारे पास, जो चलता जाएगा जब तक क्या नहीं होगा, ये हमारा पूरा का पूरा वाटर हीट नहीं हो जाता. एंड दिस एक्टिविटी इज ऑल्सो गिवन इन योर नोट इन योर बुक, दैट इज 4.8 एक्टिविटी. सो सिमिलर इज द एक्टिविटी हेयर. Whenever you are going to have a candle and you are going to place your hand above this, यहाँ अपना हाथ रखोगे तो आपको हॉट फील होता है, लेकिन अगर आप अपना हाथ इस तरफ रखते हो, कैंडल के साइड में अपना हाथ रखते हो, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू फील द हॉटर. यहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा ठंडा लगता है, आपको ज़्यादा हीट फील नहीं होती है. लेकिन अगर आप अपना हाथ इस तरफ रखते हो, कैंडल के ऊपर रखते हो, तो आपको हॉट फील होता है. दैट मीन्स जो भी एयर यहाँ पर थी, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस हीट ऑफ कैंडल, वो क्या हो जाएगी, इट इज़ गोइंग टू हीटेड अप, और जैसे जैसे वो हीट होती जाएगी वो क्या होती जाएगी, एक्सपैंड, और सराउंडिंग से कोल्ड एयर उसका प्लेस ले लेगी, एंड एयर नियर द सोर्स हीट हो जाएगी, हॉट एयर राइज करेगी, और कूलर एयर कम्स डाउन, और धीरे धीरे वो कूलर एयर भी क्या होती जाएगी, हॉट होती जाएगी, and whole of the air is going to heat up by the process of convection. Why this hot air rises up? Because वो air क्या होती है, hot air balloons होते हैं ना, वो क्या करते हैं, rise करते हैं ना. Because air जब भी heat होती है वो क्या करती है, expand होती है, और expand मतलब वो hot air light हो जाएगी और वो क्या करेगी, rise. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि जो smoke है, in which direction does the smoke go? किस direction में चलती है smoke? It is always moving in the upward direction because air near the heat source is light, और जिसकी वजह से वो क्या होगी, it will going to move in the upward direction. So similar is the condition surrounding this candle, and similar are the condition whenever I'm going to take the water, this hot water is going to rise up and the colder water from the surrounding is going to take its place, और धीरे धीरे ये सारा प्रोसेस चलता जाएगा, और ये क्रिस्टल की वजह से ये जो कलर है क्रिस्टल का वो सारे वाटर में धीरे धीरे क्या हो जाएगा, सेपरेट हो जाएगा. एंड यू कैन सी दीज एक्टिविटी इन योर बुक, एक्टिविटी 4.8 and 4.9. And after this I am going to show a very interesting activity related to the process of convection.